Learners, always remember, success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Now, in the last video, we recalled the fractions we learned in grade 6. Here, Rahul is going to a school on his cycle. His school is 7 over 9 kilometers away from his home. Now, one of his friends asks him how much distance he covers in total from his home to school and returning back to his home. Now, can you calculate the total distance Rahul covers? So, the distance between Rahul's home and school is 7 over 9 kilometers. To calculate the total distance covered by Rahul, we have to multiply the fraction 7 over 9 by a whole number 2. Now let's figure out this in our new video, in which we will learn about the multiplication of fractions. Learners, to multiply a whole number with a proper or an improper fraction, we need to multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, and denominator remains the same. Now let's figure out the total distance covered by Rahul by multiplying fraction 7 over 9 by whole number 2. On multiplying the numerator 7 by whole number 2, we get 14 over 9. Hence, the total distance covered by Rahul is 14 over 9 kilometers. Now, on the next morning, Rahul left his home and stops at a stationery shop to buy a notebook. The shop is situated at 1/3 of the distance between his home and school. Now, learners, can you find the distance between the stationery shop and Rahul's home? To find the distance between the stationery shop and Rahul's home, we need to multiply 7 over 9 by 1 over 3. Learners, to multiply a fraction with a fraction, we follow the rule. The product of fractions is equal to the product of their numerators over the product of their denominators. So we can write it as, on multiplying, we get 7 over 27. Hence, the distance between the stationery shop and Rahul's home is 7 over 27. So, learners, we have seen how to multiply a fraction with a fraction. Now, let us see how to deal with mixed fractions in multiplication problems. Here we have to multiply whole number 5 with mixed fraction 1 and 2/3. For this, first, we convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction 5 over 3. Then on multiplying, we get 25 over 3. In this video, we have learned how to multiply a fraction by a whole number and how to multiply a fraction by a fraction. Now there is a question for you. Now, can you find the multiplication of these mixed fractions? Hoping you will get the answer. Do you know how to divide a whole number by a fraction or a fraction by another fraction? For this, watch our next video, in which we will learn about the division of fractions. Thanks for watching this video.